How to watch ESPN on Disney Plus in 2025. Start by subscribing to the Disney Bundle, Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus. Go to disneyplus.com and log into your bundle account. Tap your profile icon, then go to account to confirm your subscription includes ESPN Plus. ESPN content is not inside the Disney Plus app. It's accessed separately. Download the ESPN app or go to espn.com. Log in using the same credentials to your Disney bundle. Now, you'll see access to live sports, replays, and ESPN Plus originals. Search for NBA, UFC, NHL, and other ESPN Plus exclusives. Some content may still require a cable subscription. For full access, make sure your bundle is active and payment is up to date. Like and subscribe if this video helped. Thanks for watching.